loved ones. Once again, it is Steve Henry with The Steve Henry Show. As you can see, it is National Orange Week, and we are not, I repeat, not going to be let down with oranges, that's for sure. So I'm sitting here thinking, what am I going to do in food and orange? Well, there's always duckling a la orange. Well, you can't do that. You can't do that in a skillet. No, you can't. Can you do it? Oh, it came to me. It did. We're going to do Crepes Suzette. That's right. Crepes Suzette has an orange flair. Probably 95% of that ingredient is orange. Orange liqueur, orange rind, orange juice. It's going to be orange, baby. Right here, live at 4 o'clock. Don't forget the question of the week. That's right, the midweek question. You're going to answer this on Saturday when I say the words, what was that? What was that? You're going to immediately punch in the answer to this question, and it's going to be the 7th answer correct. The 7th. Yeah, I want to see a stream of these. We had how many meats? 3 or was it 4 meats in the meatball recipe from last week? Did we have 4 meats? Was it 4 or was it 3? You tell me, 7th person in the comment section on Saturday when I release that phrase, what was that? Now we're going to make the crepes here. I'm going to walk you through it. Remember we do the education? Well, let's tease you with a little education. 1895 was the year. A young man by the name of Henri Carpentier, he was 14 years old, kind of an assistant chef, if you will, tipped over a bottle of Grand Marnier right here. He tipped it over right into J.D. Rockefeller's party dessert. That's right, which was orange crepes. No alcohol, mind you, at the time anyways. Well, nonetheless, as the story goes, the meal was served with the orange liqueur, and they loved it. They loved it. So there's more about education on that on Saturday. We'll finish that story out. The preparation, yes, we're going to do the crepes. We'll make the crepes for you. We'll have them live there, and then we'll fill them and fluff them and dust them with the orange flambe juice with the liqueur. So it's going to be an amazing show. A little education, a little preparation, and a lot of presentation. Wait till you see how we present this thing. You're going to want to do it yourself at the next orange party you have. We're going to do a 2-series part on French. By the way, French are the ones that invented this wonderful dessert. You can see by the French decor here that we are in the French mood. So don't miss the week after next, which is going to be not this Saturday, but the following Saturday, another French item. It's going to be chicken cordon bleu, baby. And where do you see the blue on that one? It's going to be amazing. And I want to mention the winners from last week. John Pastor Hennigan. He won twice in a row. John the Pastor Hennigan from Rio Rancho, New Mexico. Michelle H. from Canada. That was the first time for Michelle. We love you, Michelle. You're such a great person, and we love your support up there in Canada. Mariah Gonzales. Hey, Mariah, I need your contact info. I got a $100 bill burning a hole in my pocket, and I don't know where to send it. Mariah Gonzales, will you get a hold of me for the new Steve Henry Show at gmail.com. The new Steve Henry Show at gmail.com. Amanda H., you won again. You're now tied in first place. Yeah, Amanda H., Emily, and there's a few others that are tied for first place there now. Another new one, Elaine Demello. That's right. Oh my God. She got the one of them right. I think it was the meats. That's right. So we had 5 winners last week. I'm looking forward to doing 5 winners this week. And don't forget that red Jeep is coming up just in time for Halloween, baby. I can't miss it. I want to see you here. I love seeing you guys here. It's Saturday at 4 o'clock right here at the new Steve Henry Show.